Stop. If you're thinking about buying KDPROBOTS, you might want to watch this first. Because this software claims it can automate content creation, publishing, and digital product production using AI bots, potentially saving hours of manual work. But the real question is KDPROBOTS actually a powerful SaaS tool, or just another overhyped automation platform? In this honest KDPROBOTS review, I'll show you what the software actually does, what's inside the platform, the real benefits, who it's best for. And I'll also show you how to get $494 worth of bonuses, free if you decide it's right for you. Let's dive in. If you're a content creator, marketer, entrepreneur, or someone looking to automate digital publishing, this review will help you decide if KDPROBOTS is worth your time and money. This video is purely educational and designed to help you understand what this SaaS tool actually offers. What is KDPROBOTS? KDPROBOTS is a cloud-based SaaS platform designed to automate the creation and publishing of digital content using AI-powered bots. Instead of spending hours writing, formatting, and publishing content manually, KDPROBOTS uses automation to help you generate content, create digital assets, and publish them faster. The goal is simple: save time, automate repetitive tasks, and scale content production. Because everything runs in the cloud, you can access the platform from anywhere with no complicated setup. Key benefits. Here are some of the main benefits users are looking for when they use KDPROBOTS. Automation. Instead of doing everything manually, AI bots handle repetitive tasks. Faster content creation. Generate content much faster compared to traditional workflows. Beginner-friendly. The dashboard is designed to be simple, even if you're new to automation tools. Cloud-based platform. No software downloads or technical setup required. Scalable system. Create multiple projects and automate processes without increasing workload. For creators and entrepreneurs, time is often the biggest bottleneck, and tools like KDPROBOTS are designed to reduce that friction. Inside KDPROBOTS, what you get? Inside KDPROBOTS, you'll typically find several AI-powered modules designed to streamline content workflows. These bots can help with tasks like generating written content, structuring digital projects, organizing publishing workflows, and automating repetitive content tasks. The platform focuses on creating an automated ecosystem where multiple AI bots handle different stages of the process. Think of it like having a team of digital assistants working in the background. Instead of doing everything manually, you simply configure the bots and let the system run. Results and use cases. People typically use KDPROBOTS for things like content automation, digital publishing, creating digital products, building automated content workflows, and scaling online projects faster. Of course, results will always depend on how you use the tool and your strategy, but automation platforms like this can significantly reduce manual work. If you decide to get KDPROBOTS through the link below, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus bundle worth $494 completely free. These bonuses are designed to help you get the most out of automation and digital publishing. Bonus 1, the Bestseller Blueprint, $197 value. This includes done-for-you templates for fiction books, non-fiction books, self-help guides, cookbooks, and children's books. You can load these templates, customize them, and publish quickly. This removes one of the biggest barriers beginners face, starting from scratch. Bonus 2, Audiobook Voice Bundle, $297 value. You'll also receive access to 10 premium AI voices designed for studio-quality audiobook narration. This allows you to convert written content into professional-sounding audio projects quickly. Normally, this is a paid upgrade, but you'll get it free with my bonus bundle. Total bonus value, $494, free. So, is KDPROBOTS worth it? If you're looking for a SaaS automation tool that helps streamline content creation and publishing, KDPROBOTS is definitely worth exploring. Especially when you include the $494 bonus bundle, it adds even more value. Click the link in the description below, get access to KDPROBOTS, unlock the bonuses, and start automating your content workflow today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.